Okay, we got our head here. We'll cut the bottom of this off so it's going to fit in here okay now. That way we can close up the head. Might have to sand it a little more. But anyway, we'll take this off so it's going to go in there. We've cut the bottom of the mouth off, and we'll still have to trim more off once I figure out where I want to go in there with it. So now that fits okay. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So now, we're going to drill for our neck. And I'm going to use an 1¼ inch stick for this. And we're going to go up about 2–2¼ inches. So now we got our hole drilled for our stick. So our stick will go up in here. So we're going to sand this down a little bit, and then we'll glue our stick in. Then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.